Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com, and you can find this in Google Play Store and Apple Store. Just type YouTube. Okay. By the way, this this video is very not necessarily sensitive. Although, what do you call this? Should I say this? Shocking videos that I saw the TV, all TV medias in the Philippines. Even me, I was so shocked yesterday. I cannot believe, no? And the procedures is something unusual. Okay. Um, I think you know already the news about our Philippine former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who was arrested from the ICC, or known as International Criminal Court. Well, my reaction is very something's unusual, then something's not right, and something's wrong totally. And I was surprised that when it comes to here in the Philippines, they honor, they allow, so they cooperate to just to arrest that Filipino citizen without a warrant of arrest. Meaning, if a person is arrested, there should be warrant of arrest. That's it. Actually, this is an old issue, and there is something strong actually. Actually, last 2019, the Philippines applied for not to be a member of International Criminal Court. So meaning if they arrest any Filipino citizen, political leaders, they are not allowed to arrest any Filipino citizen, or cannot be allowed to arrest. But in his case, they permit it without uh, without a warrant of arrest. So meaning it is an illegal arrest, because based on my analysis, you cannot arrest a person. Example, they are from overseas, then they will arrest him without a search warrant. So in the Philippine law, they can issue a temporary restraining order direct to Supreme Court. That's the law in the Philippines. Because if they will just arrest without a search warrant, this is illegal. So therefore, this is an illegal arrest. Then just imagine they just honor an arrest without a search warrant. This is crazy. Come to imagine, they will arrest a person without a um, search warrant. Then it was a very unusual private plane, private plane. Then they will bring it to The Hague. Actually, the headquarters of the International Criminal Court is in The Hague, in Netherlands. So this is a big issue for us. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning, and this will call an attention. Thank you so much.